What up, tubers? If you've been failing at affiliate marketing, you're not alone. Allow me to guide you through all the mistakes I've made and how to recover from them. If you're having trouble getting your affiliate thing together, go to rwcweb.com, put your name and your email in that box, and I will send you oodles of stuff. I wanted to turn you on to a place where you can get some content, okay? Now, unfortunately, can't see without these. I'm seeing a little glare in my eyes, but that's okay. You guys don't mind the old man having a little glare? Now, this Content Express, I'll leave the link down in the description. It's pretty cool, actually, okay? You always want original content on your websites, especially doing affiliate marketing, okay? It helps tremendously with the search engines, okay? And without a doubt, if it's for free, it's for me. Come on, let's face it. Starting this stuff up, there's a lot of gurus out there that tell you how they did it and all this everything, and you make bank overnight and you make money while you're asleep. Some of it is actually true. Most of it is bullshit. Let's just face it. Okay, gang? Let's face it. Even with all my skills and knowledge of the computer industry back in 2015 when I started this, I fell victim to that as well, although, like for me back then, the woodworking niche, I happened to land it out of the gazillion ones out there, and, it was a hot niche at the time, okay? But if you do a review for Ted's Woodworking, you're going to see a lot of bad stuff out there about it. Because this guy just basically chopped things together and put it out there. And that's what a lot of people were doing back then. Okay, a lot of people were doing that back then. So without further ado, let's jump in, okay, and get you started on how you're going to build your website, okay? So this Content Express, I just went over here and picked the category sport, okay? It's got a ton of stuff, and what you want to do when you go into any of this, you want to just very narrow stuff down, okay? When you're building your website, I like to get those sketch pads that they have on, like at the dollar stores for drawing. Get a couple of little rulers, and plot out your website on a piece of paper first, on a whiteboard. Step away from the computer, come into the real world, and plot things out. I don't want to sit here and say that's how we used to do it in the old days, because that's how they're doing it today too. Okay, there's a lot of things they don't tell you how they make their decisions on things, and a lot of gurus, they come out of these $250,000 a year jobs. They went to college, for a lot of different things, whether it be marketing, web design, IT, whatever it may be, but they usually have the bank to do two things. Okay, number one, not work for a while, at least a year. Okay, because if you've been at a job for, making $150,000 or more for 5 years, you should have some money saved in the bank, so you can take off for at least a year. If you're not, you're just an idiot or a drunk, So basically, just want to pick a small article, okay? Alright, basic of a basketball game. Alright, so these are the articles. Now I'm going to go over here. Now I love Webstarts, okay? Let's go to the dashboard. Let's go over here. Let's create a new site. Okay, start with a template. Alright. Let's see if they got sports. Okay. Oh, we got baseball ones. Alright, so you know what? Let's do a baseball one. I'm liking the green here. We're going to select that real quick. Okay. And RWC Web Baseball. We'll just keep it short and sweet. RWC Web Hit. Okay. Now, what's going to happen, you're going to go through a lot of stuff. Okay. Keep your stuff organized. If you're on my email list, you'll know that, I always tell you to keep organized. Okay. Let's go over here to Canva for a sec. Let me just do that on that. Let's go backwards. Alright. Okay, now let's see how we're going on here. So when you go to Webstarts, they're going to come up with this here. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. Let's just have a peek at it for a second. Okay. Wow, that's phenomenal. Wow, I love it. Now, just to give you information on the psychological thing in marketing, okay, what I learned a long time ago, what I like, okay, doesn't really matter. You got to know your audience, your target market, okay. Now, there's a lot of, if you signed up with me, I'm going to give you a lot of free stuff, okay, and there's a thing called emotional, you can look this up, emotional color wheel, okay. It tells you how psychologically these colors that we see, these colors that we see online and in the real world, how they attract us psychologically. So it's pretty cool, actually, when you think about it. And that's the thing. A lot of people don't think about it, So this is a phenomenal template. Okay, so I'm going to see if I could very quickly, it's already got some graphics. You never want to really use graphics, okay, that are in stock templates, because if everybody and their brother is using them, I went online looking for some ebooks, because I've sold a gazillion of ebooks, and I'm seeing the same ones all over the place, because they take the private label rights. They don't rebrand it as their own, okay? You know what? Let me stop this video real quick. All right, sorry about that. I just had to check this out now. I wanted to show you this right here. I had an old Flash type of ebook cover creator. Okay. I'm not sure if there's any new ones out there. There probably is. Just look for do a search for a 3D ebook cover creator. Okay, now the picture itself I made in Canva, and then I used the ebook cover on my computer, the creator on my computer. Okay, so you want to be original in as many ways as you can. So let's just take this, see what we got on this site, right? So right here, let's see, they probably don't have, okay, so they do. Takes you to the about page. That's probably all set up like that. So these templates, you got to be careful when you use the templates too. You see how these are all going to the about page, okay? All right, it's got a calendar. Ooh, phenomenal. Wow, look at that. Awesome, very awesome. Okay, this is Webstarts, baby. Love Webstarts. Love them, love them, love them. You can get a free website with Webstarts, free subdomain, and it works. Okay, so we got the front page right there. We'll take some real quick. Let's go edit the site. Okay, and just to get some. There you go. We'll get some things going. We're gonna copy that. Let's go in here. Okay, we don't want to take a tour. Alright, so you come in here. Alright, we edit this guy. Let me put you in a little dark mode here. See how we do it. Oh yeah, this is just so phenomenal. Okay, alright, so let's do this real quick. Actually, we'll select all of this, get rid of it, just put in more information. Okay, and this again, you could take this, and I would suggest, you You download it to your computer, read through it a little bit, okay, so forth. Make it your own in your own way, okay? And, you know, you'll be able to literally have a great website, okay? And I'm just doing this, you know, real quick for you guys. I don't want to make these videos too long. Alright? Alright, and that's how you would do it. Okay? Let me do it this way for you, real quick. Alright, come back to this. Content press, okay? Awesome stuff, okay? Bippity boppity boo. Alright, so you get, I'm sure you understand. You get the picture. You're smart people. Alright, so we'll save that. Okay, let's get rid of that up there. You don't see that. Again, Webstarts is really phenomenal stuff. I love it so much. Okay. Alright, and it's called Sluggo. See that basic information, baseball player, and so forth. So you get the picture. The same thing, like I said. Now, these are phenomenal graphics. Okay. Phenomenal graphics. But if I go to, Canva, sorry, got a brain fart for a minute. Okay. Let's just go and let's just say custom size. Like this, these pictures here, you can get their size very easily. Okay. If I open an image in a new tab, you can see how big they are. Okay. So that's at least, you know, like 700-800 across, maybe 1100 by 1100 or something, you know. So let's just go 1000 by 900. Okay. All right. Very quickly, very easily, you know, in Canva, between Canva, Webstarts, and Webstarts probably has like stock images. Okay. As you can see, this is where they came from. Okay. So if you're going to add images, but again, you're going to either want to, you know, create your own images or, you know, okay. So you see they have some images. So in their template, what you could do, and again, me, I like Canva because I can do all kinds of, you know, I don't have to tell you, okay. All right, so they got some phenomenal, okay, that's in, and that's even in a template that you can use the images. Bam, okay. So with these free tools, there's no doubt in my mind, because I've done it, okay, and a lot of people do it. There's no doubt in my mind that you'll be able to make a fantastic website, okay, for whether it be your affiliate marketing or, you know, whether you're doing it just to, you know, okay, whether you're doing it for affiliate marketing, whether you're doing it just for, you know, your business, okay, there's no doubt in my mind that you'll be able to succeed at this, okay? And it's really good. Yeah, I did that without my glasses. I'm sorry, I got such a bad setup in my weekend location that I use. This real tiny place, me and my little woman hang out. All right, so take your time, okay? Don't get discouraged. It's very discouraging. Don't think about making the money, okay? Get as many free stuff as you can working for you, okay? Do your research. You know, go to my site, RWC Web. I know it's just a little simple, crappy site, okay? But it's just to function. I need it to function for me, okay? Got my new YouTube channel going. I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe, okay? I'm going to have some great stuff for you. And again, don't get discouraged. Don't think about the numbers, okay? You got to treat it like a real business. Treat it like a real business, okay? The one thing I learned years ago in the real world, okay, and this is parallel with any business, anywhere, any place, any kind of business, okay? You're not in business to make money. You're in business to build a loyal customer, okay? Think about it.